That should be it. That should be it. Oh yeah. This cookie stuff. And then we got this stuff, and then we got the glue.
Can I touch it?
Oh my god.
It's like super mucus.
This is what me will do during winter.
Like that.
Achoo! Sorry.
It feels warm. Okay, it feels heat sensing. It feels like I think we made heat sensing slime. Get all away. It looks pink.
Yeah,
It's turning pink. It looks like throw up. It looks like throw up. Now it's time to see glows in the dark. I think it might work. Will they glow in the dark? Let's see. As you can see, it's completely darkened and glowing. Fail!